Hello, thanks for tuning in. We have 3 amazing trails for you to look at. This is an extension to a trip we took to northern Arizona. I'll be showing you the Toadstool Hoodoos, the Waterholes Canyon Trail, the easy part, and the new Wave Trail. Again, I really want to thank you for tuning in. My name is Pat Lowe, and this is P. Lowe's Adventures. So here we are at the Waterholes Canyon Trail. We started the trail from the Colorado River after a day of kayaking. This part of the trail is easy, and the total length I think is about 1.5 miles out and back. I guess there's parts of this trail, if you come from the top, that are considered difficult, where you have to do some scrambling and maybe some rappelling down some rock cliffs and stuff. That's not this one. So sit back and enjoy. Now we find ourselves at the new Wave Trail. There's the original Wave Trail, which I hear is quite spectacular, but I guess getting a permit to hike there is near impossible. So we decided to go the new Wave Trail. All of this footage is from the air using my DJI drone. This hike is also easy, and I think it's also about 1.5 miles long. On this trail, you basically walk around the perimeter of the rock formation that you can see here from above. I'm sure you can explore and turn this trail into a half-day or maybe even a full-day event. We did see some people kind of scrambling around through this center section. It looks pretty fun. Alright, so here we are at the Toadstool Hoodoos. This is a little bit of a hike up to the Hoodoos, but it's really not hard at all and not very long. Also, it's kind of easy to follow. Once you get up there, you'll find several hoodoos and lots of things to explore. Out of all the trails you've seen today, I'm not really sure which one is my favorite, but I think at the end of this one, up by the hoodoos, I think that part might be my favorite out of all three places. Once I get up there, I'm going to put the drone up, so you'll have a pretty good view of what it looks like from below and above. This one was kind of popular on this particular day, so you'll see several people walking around. Hope you enjoyed watching these videos. If you have any questions, please reach out and I'll get you all the answers. Thank you for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it.